ये है अनसेट फीलिंग शैंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स छोटा छोटा करके दिखाया जाएगा। तो देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए।
When we get into a relationship, say we are married and everything, I want to know from your point, ki Rebecca, how are things looking forward to? I'll give you few examples
दे
so
दो।
that you have an idea of what I'm talking about. Say, I'm talking about arranged marriage setup. Arranged marriage setup. कि marriage हो गया है. Now, क्योंकि marriage हो गया है, now here पूरा family का जो responsibility है वो guy पे गया है.
हाँ।
On the guy. लड़की यहाँ पे बोलती है because it's an arranged marriage, the guy is responsible to take care of me.
डाउरी भी तो लिया है ना।
Okay, so give me dowry नहीं, चलो dowry हटाओ, dowry नहीं लिया ये सब चीज. So you are responsible to take care. You are responsible to take care of me. What do you think about this?
I don't believe in the concept of love marriage and arranged marriage. Let me tell you why. Because we don't belong to a country where love marriage and arranged marriage happens anymore. I'm talking about cities. I'm not talking about.
Okay, what do you mean by arranged marriage and love marriage?
What is
doesn't
love
have-
marriage for you?
लव मैरिज की दो, एक लड़का लड़की, एक लड़का लड़का, लड़की लड़का, और all genders
Two
together
people fall in love, get married.
get married.
We're not doing that. Here in India, when two people love each other, they still look for parental consent and the parents are a part of the marriage. No, they're still looking for, oh, if I get married to this caste, my parents might not be okay. While love is already happened. लड़की फिर भी अपने घर वालों को मना रही है, लड़का फिर भी, तुम लोग भाग के शादी करोगे, that's love marriage. India doesn't have the concept of love marriage. We make love marriage arranged marriage. We get two families together. We get them to talk. We get.
But that's a good thing, no? You are getting your
I'll tell
families
you.
together.
Let me
because-
complete.
No, you are getting your
You're
families
making-
together because you want your families to be happy about
you're
your marriage.
complicating it. You're making the girl. You're making your family like the girl. In a love marriage, why does your family have to like the girl? You like the girl, no, get married, no, like foreigners do. No, the family has to like the girl. The family has to like the boy. Now in arranged marriage, they give time to the couple, fall in love, go out more, मिलो जुलो, 4-5 बार मिलो ताकि थोड़ा बॉन्डिंग हो जाए. उसको आप लोग लव मैरिज कर रहे हो because you all don't want it to fail. In arranged marriage also, after the family is met, the boy and girl today have been given rights to be like, तुमको पसंद है कि नहीं पसंद है बेटा. If I'm getting my father will ask me if I'm okay or not okay.
Correct.
I have a choice. Earlier, that was not arranged marriage. Arranged marriage was not about choice. I get to meet the guy a lot of times to have rhyme and rhythm with the guy. They're making arranged marriages, love marriages, and love marriages, arranged marriages. We are complicating the system. If you love somebody, you love somebody. Get married with or without your parents' approval. You loved, no? प्यार करने के पहले you asked your parents. नहीं ना? तो शादी करने के पहले क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Have that much akal that when I have wasted 2 years of her life or 5 years of her life or 2 months of her life, प्यार करने के पहले मैंने मम्मी को पूछा था कि मम्मी मेरे को ये पसंद है, कैन आई वेस्ट 2 years on her? नहीं ना. तो अभी शादी करने के पहले why does your mother have to like her?
Because you love your family and that is why you just want everything to go smoothly. क्योंकि आगे
That is
relation
making love marriage arranged marriage.
you are
if your
comparing it. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. You're comparing it from a foreign relationship जहाँ पे a guy and a girl
No.
gets married.
It's simple. Love marriage should happen irrespective of parents' approval.
Okay.
If you're waiting for your parents' approval and your parents have to align with their parents and your parents have to align with the other partner, it's arranged marriage. You just found the partner. Love marriages don't exist. यहाँ पे तुम लड़की लेके आए हो और तुम अरेंज मैरिज कर रहे हो. वहां पे पेरेंट्स लड़की लेके आए हैं और अरेंज मैरिज हो रहा है. अल्टीमेटली हमारे यहाँ पे अरेंज मैरिजेस ही हो रहा है. लव मैरिज इज व्हेन आप पार्टनर ढूंढते हो, irrespective of what the world thinks, you decide to be with the partner. Do you agree? Do you not agree?
I don't know because
Is everything just not arranged marriage today? Except for people जो भाग के शादी करते हैं, आप लोग कर रहे हो love marriage.
I think I still feel कि what you are saying is right.
Is arranging, no. After you're in love also.
But I think end of the day, देखो आज जैसे I'll give you an example छोटा सा मेरी फैमिली को लेके. मैं मेरी मॉम ने बोल दिया है क्लियरली, भाई बेटा तेरे को जिससे शादी करनी है कर. I don't have a say. See, now I found a partner for me, say example. Now, because now it has come to a place where I want to get married to her. I'm telling my mom because I want her to meet my family and everything. I love her. She will not say yes.
डिसअलाइनमेंट हो गया तो
She's not saying no for that.
वो तुम assume कर रहे हो and I'm also hoping good for you. I'm not saying
Correct.
कुछ खराब हो.
Correct.
I'm just saying घर वालों को मिलने के बाद कोई डिसअलाइनमेंट हो गया तो
What, in what way?
डिसअलाइनमेंट हो गया where the mother's not okay with the girl or the girl's not okay with the mother. तो क्या?
I will still get married to her.
And keep her
And-
away from the family.
I'm anyways keeping my wife away from the family.
हाँ.
I'm not staying in the same house. The idea is moving away, not for my sake, but for the girl's sake. I want to be away कि ये जो बहू सास वाले के जो लोचे होते हैं, I don't want to get that into a family.
It's simple. I'll tell you what. In India, the number one reason for divorces to happen. अभी divorces हो चुके हैं तो उनका study अलग से हो चुका है. The number one reason for divorces to happen is infidelity, where the person's cheating. The second most common reason is in-laws. So be it love marriage or arranged marriage,
तुम्हारा family matter करता है.
if you're arranging the family to align with the boy or the girl and with each other, the families are involved. We have come to a point, I'll tell you. पहले हमको तो ऐसी ही मिल जाती थी. अभी अगर तुमको शादी.com से मिले या बम्बल से मिले, what is arranged marriage, what is love marriage? तुमने जाके शादी.com पे लड़की ढूंढा है, तुमने जाके बम्बल पे लड़की को ढूंढा है.
But I'll tell you.
शादी.com will become arranged marriage, Bumble will
Yeah.
become love marriage.
Yes.
You have gone to a .com, you have found
No,
a
but
girl.
I'll tell you the difference between this. मैं शादी.com पे इसलिए गया हूँ क्योंकि I want to get married. But मैं Bumble पे इसलिए गया हूँ because I want
Let's
to
say-
see and then get
No,
married.
let's say your agenda is marriage only, but you don't want to do the agenda. Like today you are.
Yes.
Ki bro, if I want to put my effort, it has to be onto a girl
Correct.
that I align with.
Correct.
If your agenda is marriage, if you're at an age of marriage, what site you have gone to doesn't matter, no? How does that define? We are more aware of what site has what happening. Like I've heard a lot of thuggy people also on shadi.com.
Absolutely. I know.
But I'm just saying that at the end of the day, you are looking for a partner to get married. So both is love marriage. तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ढूंढते तो अरेंज मैरिज होता है ना. तुम ढूंढ रहे हो, भली वो शादी के साइड से ढूंढ रहे हो, भली कम्युनिटी के तुम ढूंढ रहे हो, जो तुम ला रहे हो वो लव मैरिज हो जाता है by the. I just feel love marriages don't happen in India.
So
Whoever's saying love marriage is happening in India is in some delusional world. They are not seeing the arranged aspect of it.
because I know one point I definitely agree with you, Rebecca, कि love होने के बाद भी we have 90% of the pressure कि family को accept करना है.
Like
कि
love
family
marriage
accept करेगी कि नहीं करेगी.
का aspect is you and I fall in love. We have decided to get married. अब parents को inform किया जाता है. I have found my partner.
I'm
This is
getting
when
married.
we are planning to get married. Let's do a dinner before marriage together.
That
But
is
ये
love
मेरा
marriage.
this is
Got
love
it.
marriage.
Got it.
You're making love arranged, which is why most times people even break up.
So now in a scenario, Rebecca, बहुत सारे जने अभी love में हैं and they want to get married, okay? And there is a point, and
जहाँ
in India
families को
we know
मिलना
कि
पड़ता है.
जिनको families accept नहीं करता है, whether it is due to caste, whether it is due to whatever reason. I fucking hate it when things get rejected because of caste or your stature in the society. Now tell me this, Rebecca. We are not talking about love
At all.
marriage or we are not talking about arranged marriage at all. We are just talking about a marriage situation.
Because love marriage इंडिया में नहीं होता.
Okay, perfect.
ऐसे और क्लिप्स देखने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इसी क्लिप्स के फुल वर्जन या कि फुल पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए आप हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.